In this video, I'm going to tell you about GetResponse's affiliate program and how much you can actually earn. But first, what exactly is GetResponse? So GetResponse is an email marketing platform. It's actually really popular and they have lots of tools for automation, page building, campaign management, and other stuff so you can make the most of your email list. For your convenience, I've included a link to try GetResponse in the description of this video. Later in the video, I'm going to show you how much money I made from a different software company as an affiliate, where I posted very short videos on this channel that you're watching, and it still made a surprising amount of money. And if you're really serious about affiliate marketing and you want to make serious money from it, I'm going to tell you the best way to learn affiliate marketing, even as a complete beginner, at the end of the video. Now let's take a look at GetResponse's affiliate program. As you can see on the website of GetResponse, they have an awesome affiliate program, and so you can actually choose between two different variations of their affiliate program. They've got a recurring program which pays you 33% every single month for as long as a person stays subscribed, and you can also get bounty program commissions, which is $100 upfront. So if you want to make some quick money, then you'd probably want to sign up for the bounty program because you can make fast $100 commissions. But if you want to build up a very stable, reliable source of income where you get consistent income every single month, then you'd go for the recurring program because you can start stacking your income as you get more and more people signing up. Now let me show you how much money I made from the other software that I was promoting as an affiliate, even though I got very few views. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now $89 might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.